Ask mouth Jason. Ask mouth Jason. You know yourself. Your teeth don't get all of food fear. Eh? The last time you thief one box of chicken and then fire you. And you come back now. You come and work with the Chinese them. And a thief half the people them tool. What make you so fucking thief, boy? Eh? What make you so thief? And that's why they deport you. Top thief people them something, Jason. Ass mouth, Jason, you too fucking thief. People, guys. He clamp them where them a use make his scaffold. A boy want thief, he clamp them and sell them for $3. Which part in this world you will find scaffold clamp a sell for $3? Want sell one next work, man. Boy, top thief half the people them something. That's why you bad man me come tell you say me no into it. Cause you want me thief clamp with you. If you sell it, man. And me tell you say me no in it. You vex with me. Batty boy. Your thief don't get whole of food fear. One box of chicken. What you do with the box of chicken? I sell you and yummy. So you crave. Top thief half the Chinese them tool. The Chinese man them give you a tool for work with and your thiefy. Top thiefy people them something. Ass mouth Jason, you know yourself.